Hey guys, what's up? CT out in the garage. It's Saturday night and I'm just out here getting things organized for the next project. I've got a few projects going on at the same time, but wanted to give you a quick shop update. We got something in the mail today. Can't wait to open that. I'll open that with you guys. And I did end up putting the brakes on one of these brake plates and it turned out pretty good. I'll do the other one and I'll film it. It's a pretty simple process, but that is what it looks like complete. And what we'll end up doing is we'll use this axle seal kit and we'll put this gasket here. It'll be a gasket that goes on here, and we will replace this seal, this little washer, the spacer will keep. That all squeezes in here like this. The new ones are here. And what happens is the back plate goes on like so. Okay, squeeze that on there tight, get it nice and tight. Put the 3 nuts on there with the washers. We'll put the master cylinder screw in here, like so. And that goes in, screws into the case here. So we are going to wait. We'll fit them on there just to do a dry fit, make sure everything works properly. But one of you guys made a good suggestion to wait to put these on until the transmission is back in rusty, because what'll happen is you'll end up dropping this on the ground, moving it around, and you'll end up bending the back plate. So we will take that advice and wait until the transmission is back in the bus, but we can build them and make sure we have all the pieces and parts. There's a pretty exciting video coming up soon, so you guys are going to make sure you stay tuned. The engine build video will be up very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. And what else is going on out here? Oh yeah, check this out. Picked up a new exhaust for Rusty. It is a new old stock. It's original, never been used, still got the sticker on it. Still has all the original paint, it's just a little scratched up here and there, no big deal. The only difference is this one was a stale air, I think, and this was what they call a fresh air. Not exactly sure if that makes a difference. The other thing that I thought was cool on this new one, it says made in West Germany on it, which is pretty cool. And if you look inside with the flashlight, it looks brand new on the inside, so there's no rust. Rusty's is pretty beat up. It's got a hole and it's very, very rusty. Here, let me bring this over into the light so we can see it a little bit better. Let me grab the other one real quick, hold on. Now, I guess the lighting wasn't too bad there, but it's definitely brighter over here. So there's the new one, and there's the old one. Pretty crazy, right? I mean, considering this was out in the weather, it held up fairly well. I mean, this is mostly surface rust, but if you look deep inside, there is some rust in there, and I'm not sure how intact the baffles are, but we're not going to throw it away. We'll hold on to it. Maybe we'll try to clean it up and restore it at some point. But we did get a new one. Found it on the Samba, got it for a great price. It's amazing how you can still find these original parts. Never used. It's really cool. I'm not sure what that means. If you guys know, let me know. There's some numbers on here. I'm not sure if this is the exact exhaust that would have come on Rusty originally. And I'm not positive that the engine that was in Rusty was original, but I'm pretty sure it was at least a rebuilt one that Volkswagen put in. We'll find out more about that later. Let's open this box, see what's inside. Alright guys, let's see what we got. Where's my knife? There it is. Hold on. Alright. Alright, cool. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Just a few little things, nothing major. This is a 6 volt 6 volt coil. Super coil, made in Brazil. I'm not sure if they still make the 6 volt in Germany anymore. This is the one I saw available, and this is the one that came off of Rusty. So it looks a little bit bigger. Rusty's is good as far as I know, so we'll hold on to it. But it's always nice to have a, you know, a new one. I don't have to worry about it, and yeah, pretty cool. It looks pretty sweet. And if you didn't know, we're keeping Rusty's engine completely stock as far as the carburetor, the distributor, and all of that stuff. So it's going to be pretty sweet. We got a fuel line. It's a nice fuel line. That's going to look good on there. Picked up a belt. These Continental belts are cool. I think I have another one, but it's always good to have a spare or two laying around, especially when you're working on as many projects as I am. There's the fitting for the fuel line, some nuts and bolts, some other bearings and stuff. All kinds of little bits, grommets. Oh, this is cool. Let's open this up real quick. Let's see what else we got in here. I think that's it. So I put all these in a big box or a bag, and I reuse them later when I ship stuff. I sell something on eBay or whatever. These boxes are nice too. Love these boxes. I got a little collection of them going on. So, man, I love it. It's like Christmas, man. Just buying parts and stuff and putting them on. It's fun, you know. pretty cool. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yep. Alright, so what is this? This is a bearing for the generator. So this is a generator pulley shims and some other generator parts. So my goal is to rebuild the generator, or at least clean it up a little bit and put these new parts, new brushes and stuff on it. We'll see. I've never done it before, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'd like to use the original generator if possible. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, that's it. There's the parts. Alright guys, that's it. I just want to give you guys a quick update. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll probably get out here tomorrow a little bit and mess around. Hopefully I'll get some stuff on video, share it with you guys. But there's lots coming up, plenty, so stay tuned. I appreciate the support. I appreciate all of you guys commenting, subscribing, liking. It helps the channel grow, and it motivates me to get out here and get stuff done. So keep it up. Appreciate it. See you guys. Talk to you soon. Later.